Topic 12. My favorite sport. My favorite sport is football because it is fun, exciting, and good for my health. I like playing football with my friends after school and on the weekend. It helps me stay active and strong. Every time I play football, I feel happy and full of energy. We usually play in a field near my house or at school. I like running, kicking the ball, and working as a team with my friends. Sometimes we have small competitions, and it makes the game more exciting. Football also teaches me many important skills. I learn how to work with others, follow rules, and respect my teammates. I also learn to be patient and never give up, even when the game is difficult. Watching football is also one of my favorite activities. I enjoy watching matches on TV and learning new skills from professional players. It helps me improve my own playing style. Playing football is not only fun, but it is also very healthy. It helps me exercise, stay fit, and feel strong. I believe sports are very important for everyone. In the future, I want to become a better football player. I will continue to practice and improve my skills every day. Football will always be my favorite sport.